Alright guys, this is Hyroko again, and it's time for me to show you my shotgun. I have not even seen my shotgun yet. I don't even know if it was worth $1,000 that I spent on it, but what the hell. I'm an opportunist, and as such, I shall be playing the fat lady that looks for discounts at the supermarket. I don't even know what their name is. Let's call her Bethel. Bethel. Oh geez. It's a shotgun. What a surprise. Just got rid of all my super savings. You bastard. Made me ruin everything that I just bought. Oh damn it. Yeah. I can't get up. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Blech. I'll show you, shotgun. I think this is my shotgun. I guess I should have read the instructions when I ordered it off of eBay. Yeah, I should have known that it was a fake when. Yeah, I should have known something was wrong with it when. Yeah, when the person had zero references. Yeah. What else can I do? I can't do anything.
Too fat to jump over my own gun.
Should have eaten those burritos. Damn Taco Hell. Why do you taunt me with your cheating? This defies the laws of physics. I don't care. So does a giant shotgun. Yeah.
You're too fat.
Yeah.
You can't do it. You're too fat.
Yeah. Pilates. Okay. Work them butt muscles. God damn. I can do this. I can do this. I believe it. I believe. Crap. Okay, shotgun. Well, shoot again so I can get off. Come on. I didn't mean those bad things about you. Come on. Is there even an end? Does life even have a meaning? Maybe I'm psychologically bought the shotgun to kill myself with, but it didn't kill me. I have a higher purpose. I guess I must eject. Hey, that actually worked. But now I cannot control my scooter. Oh wait. How? My life was not worth it anyways. This is the end. Alright, let's try this again. Alright. Okay, so Walmart savings. Okay, I lost my legs. That time. It's oh wait, I saved one. No wait, can I save the other? Can I save the other leg? I think I can. Oh, jeez. I think I'm gonna die a horrible death again. Work wheels. Happy wheels. Just end my life now. Come on. Break my own neck. Alright, I will defeat the shotgun. There go my legs again. It's okay. They're useless. They are useless to me from years of non-use because of my use of the rascal. Come on. Oh, jeez, almost. It's like there's an invisible force keeping me from getting over the shotgun. This blows. Okay. Well, I'm not even going to keep this one.